you, right?
No, no, it's not.
Oh, sorry, okay. Today I'm going to tell you about the India's biggest gaming platform, WinZO, where you can play 70 plus games like Ludo, cricket, call break, pool, and win a cash prize up to 50 lakhs. Not only this, I am also creating my fantasy team here. So you don't need to worry because all the players out here are originals and genuine players like us. Moreover, you can easily withdraw your cash prize with Paytm, Google Pay, UPI, and bank transfer. Here you will also see the WinZO store where you can get a free Fires Diamond in India at a very low price. You can also avail a discount from a big brands like Myntra, Hotstar, Domino's, Extra. Earn money and save money as well. Apart from that, what do you want, bro? KTM, Royal Enfield, iPhone 13? Yes, you can get it from here by spinning the spinner every day. So go and download it now. For those of you who are lazy, the link is right there in the description with 50 rupees bonus. Hey guys, sorry I'm late. Where is Rebecca?
Rebecca?
Yeah, we just text on WhatsApp, I mean Instagram. We are supposed to meet here. Look at you wear a jeans and then blue jacket. Shoe.
No.
Really? Oh, you just checked on Instagram now? No. Oh, so sorry. Mistake. Text na po Facebook untan. Bani kendo pati. Day. Jessica lang da. Oh shit. Hey, what's my aslam mo? Jessica lang da. Ba text na po Facebook untan. Baby, yung pag-punch TV.
Day ra.
Jessica lang daw, day. Oh shit. Ayun po. Oh, guys. Hey, what's my name? I'm late. I did. Black pants and we just checked on Instagram just now. It's you, right?
No, it's not.
Oh, sorry, okay. Josh, right? We just text on WhatsApp, man. We said we will have this Children's Day party. Here we are. So, can I join? We just check it, man. Just now. Come on, man. Josh, come on, man. We chat online every day. Alex? Shit! How do you know, man? Oh, you all seen my channel, I think, huh?
Yeah, your channel?
Yeah.
Name?
It's about to reach 1 lakh subscriber.
Yeah, I don't know.
Yeah. Oh shit. Nah. Cameraman is here only, man, sitting there. Hey, sorry man for your time again. Shit, man. I'm fucking up right now. Hey, the tip gina. Hey guys, so sorry I'm late, alright? Jessica, you just check on Instagram. Wearing boots, hi, shoe. Right? Wearing boots full black. You said just now we will have this, what we call this one, children's party, children's day party, right? Huh? It's you, right?
No.
Oh, so sorry.
Maybe I'm the person.
Guys, so sorry. Okay, actually I make a funny video. I'm a YouTuber. Okay, with 90,000 subscribers. Cameraman is just there only. Okay. So is that okay if I put it on my channel? Monvlogs, you can check it out. Alright. So don't mind for your time. Developer jor havede bat ka reaction long ba kam the best hangne hadu kata ta mon mar boni khasi kilate ba kade ka prang no te tom lele ngech kamadang nis khamat kan thamlong internet dikiwe pat ki jaj video ma te ko bomta I shwa bangan pukon nga ko ban subscribe kini ka channel bang point silak subscriber but finsi ko ka special video ko balang unique bhama but hajo ko por subscribe perlok ko ba dan lang ban ngan ko por support ka channel jong u ka dan po mauru undap no 4,000 subscriber te ka kateng jong ka channel ko jong u ka dai top level bloopers ka link ka dan po description nang ba mauru un pani phi ko ka special video ka ba bas tenar ba do ta ta ma te tang tai flash bun ngin skill upat ka ka por hey kokong what to eat mo na di sang ada Monvlogs YouTuber nga sanje ni cameraman jangan stay guys di channel jangan 140 ada oh sampai buat lagi video banget itu mas pernah ramai ada entah apa aja ini bersenat lang ibarat mah baik mah betul dua kali cameraman are you happy? Okay you guys are yeah that's great so okay don't I mean it's okay fine okay. Thank you okay for your time.